Let's see. Wow.
See the seat there, how it's attached. See those
Oh my gosh.
hose clamps. We got the real deal here. See how I attached the shroud right there?
Wow.
Cost about $9, Home Depot.
Are you serious? Let's see this.
Myself.
Wow. That is pretty cool. That is way cool. And you stay nice and warm behind there?
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Keeps you dry, warm.
And you have the lights up there, right? Is that
Yeah.
lights?
Just a little mount for it there.
That's
Couple of
cool.
lights. You can take it off.
Wow. That's great.
Oh yeah.
That's really cool. Look at that.
It's my wintertime project.
Your wintertime project?
All summer to make it.